I recommend looking and thinking about the shapes involved. Here the major players are the two circles, an ellipse, and the hexagon. We need to find the endpoints. Use a polyline as construction lines to help find the endpoints. Here is the center of the 30 diameter circle. Here is the center for the 10 diameter circle. Here is the end of the ellipse. Finally, the end of the part. Now add the circles and ellipse using the appropriate dimension values. The inside radius are a little tricky. Their center point is 35 over from the left end and down to the outside ellipse. Let's get started with our millimeter template. Draw a polyline to locate those endpoints. To zoom all, you can double-click your mouse wheel. Start by placing the circles at the proper endpoints of the polyline. Use the axis and ellipse tool. Start at the left endpoint and go to the 70 endpoint for the major axis. The minor axis is 25 upward. Add the other circle and the hexagon. I'm not sure why my hexagon turned, but just rotate it so the point's up. Draw the lines on the right end. Add the larger circles around the original circles. Erase your construction line. Create another construction line to help locate the center for the R45 arc. I usually draw circles instead of an arc. They're easier to get along with. Repeat for the top arc. Trim and erase to clean things up. Now we add the fillets. You will have to set the radius to 2. I use the multiple option. Otherwise, you can press the space bar after each fillet. Use the chamfer tool to angle those corners. Set both distances to 2 and pick the lines.